So this parking spot right here is actually a very special moment in Rain or Shine's history. I was working my corporate insurance job in this building right behind me here. And I remember sneaking away for what I thought was just a quick 20, 30-minute phone call during my lunch break. And it turned out I really killed half the afternoon talking to a customer for about 2 hours, and we ended up making our first sale that was over $1,000. And we sold a Tour Links putting green to one of our first customers in Rain or Shine's history. And at that point, we really knew that we were onto something. And fast forward a couple weeks and a couple months of having some similar experiences like that, I can't tell you how many times I would just sneak away and talk to a customer for 30 minutes in our conference room. I would take notes on the whiteboard of what products they'd be interested in, snap a picture of it, and then go home that night and process the order at home. Just really trying to figure out any way to keep the business going while working my corporate job. It was in this same building. I remember going down and having lunch with my dad, who also worked in the same company, same building at the time. And we had lunch and had that conversation of like, am I crazy for thinking I could do this full time?